Yo, here we go. I feel like I'm in Brooklyn, y'all. Y'all hear them steel drums in the background? Hey! But let me do it to y'all like this, though. It's just how I felt, you know what I'm saying? See if I can switch the camera around. Matter of fact, fuck it. So I can see that shit. Ooh. Look at that shit right there, that baked chicken and shit. Then we go over here, we got the motherfucking curry chicken over here. Ooh! You hear me? Oh, look at it, get a good look. And none of that canned good shit, G. Oh. And that dirty rice over there. Hey, 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 hey. Just some sweet peas, you know what I'm saying, to balance some shit out. Some other shit. The oven right there. And let you know I ain't playing with it so y'all can see what's going on over there. Hey! Woohoo! That's kind of mode I'm in right now, G. Fuck with me.